Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Fiat 500 Pop Dualogic hatch, stock reference number 4583. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2008 and is the current shape. It has a 169A4 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 169A4 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand fog light. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with phone and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.